upload the data, but third-party tools provide the option. So you can put your access key and secret key to upload the data over here. Okay. So this is the one. Why AWS not providing? Because AWS does not provide this feature, because the huge data upload process compared to, think about 40 terabyte of one object can be, right? Object archival process huge amount of data. If you upload through console, it will be very, very slow. That is the reason they say that they upload it through program. That will be much faster. GUI is always slow, Kiran. So if I go here into the S3 and write Glacier, so it call S3 Glacier, and here this is the bucket name, right? Sorry, this is the vault name, AWS Everbee. You can see that it is showing here also, and I can upload the data. But if I go inside that, there is no option that you can view the data from here. So if I delete this vault, and the another important thing would like to tell you guys, S3, right? So S3 is basically, when S3 is not by default, S3 is not by default encrypted. No, but Glacier is by default encrypted. Whatever you upload, it will encrypt automatically. Although in S3 you need to encrypt. Okay, so here I go here, I create vault and I give a name. So particular reason, you can see that, and give a name, let's say Ajay. Click next. You want to set up the notification. Some of you have already learned the notification, some of you have not learned the notification. I will teach you later. So in a notification means whenever I create a vault, the notification will go to me that somebody created the vault. Whenever I delete vault, the notification will go to me. Or if I data upload, at that time also that the message can go. That is called simple notification service, SNS, right? I click next and submit. And then when I created, there is now option over here. Using that I can upload the data, right? I can set up a permission notification that I already said. I will tell you permission IAM. I told in one of the batch, I already explained IAM, so that they can understand, they can write the policy, who can upload the data, who cannot upload the data. Or I can lock the vault. Somebody can, who can access, who cannot access my vault. That policy that I call also written. Tagging, I can write a tagging for which purpose I have created this vault. Let's say customer is equal to ABC, right? Data is equal to text documents, or many other tagging that I can do, right? So nothing here there is no option to upload, right? So here, but here everything you can upload, and it will be the upload and download here. So third party options are there, but not AWS that gives. So Glacier provides you to upload the data archivals. You cannot however upload the existing, or let's say S3 में क्या करते हैं, I uploaded an object ABC, and after 1 hour I upload the same object ABC, it overwrites, right? But in Glacier does not happen. If the object is already there, it will not let you to upload. You need to delete the object first, or rename the object whatever you are going to upload, then only you can upload, right? So creating a vault, as I said that you can create 1000 vaults, is a region specific, and it does not provide any URL. Okay. So Glacier is also 99.9 times guarantee that takes, and 6 times replications, so that your data should not go. And let's say you uploaded thousands of objects in a Glacier, so you can export their names in a CSV or JSON file. So you can maintain the inventory using JSON or CSV file. That is also possible. How much what all the names, what are the sizes, when it was uploaded, when all these things will be stored in a JSON or comma separated version, right? Comma separated files. So it is secured SSL also you can enable, or it is encrypted already, AES Advanced Encryption System 256, that is there. As I said that the data you migrate, very important guys, the data you upload into the S3 can be migrated to the Glacier, but visible through S3 only. Visible through S3 only. The data upload into the Glacier cannot be migrated to the S3 and cannot be visible through S3 also. Remember that, right? So whatever the object you upload to the Glacier, you can upload through APIs, or you can map it right to the system and you can download using that only, and the charges will be there accordingly. So AWS console does not provide you the facility to upload the data. You can do through CLI, SD. You can define, you can migrate your S3 data to the using lifecycle. I already given assignment to many of you that you can upload the data through S3 lifecycle to the Glacier. Glacier does not support existing archives. मतलब आपने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपलोड कर दिया है ऑब्जेक्ट 1, तो वापस ऑब्जेक्ट 1 अगर अपलोड करोगे तो बोलेगा नहीं करूँगा अपलोड, राइट. And whatever you upload to the Glacier is not a representation of S3. S3 में आप frequent data access करते हो, और जबकि Glacier में आपको टाइम लगता है उसको एक्सेस करने में. नाउ इट इज नॉट 3 और 5 hours, it is 15 minutes to 1 hour, right, but not frequent. So once the request is fulfilled, once you start accessing the data, it is available for you 24 hours. 24 hours के बाद वापस आपको रिक्वेस्ट डालनी पड़ेगी एंड वो डेटा इतने टाइम में अवेलेबल होगा. बट S3 में नहीं होता ऐसा. S3 में एनी टाइम यू कैन एक्सेस. ओके, that is all guys. That's what the small topic that I wanted to pick today, right? So Glacier is basically helps you to keep the archival data. Can the Snowball device data directly transfer to S3? नहीं सर, Snowball आपका S3 में ही डालेगा, Glacier में नहीं डालेगा. आपको वहां से S3 से Glacier में डालना पड़ेगा. तो Snowball S3 में डालता है, Glacier में नहीं डालता. आप लाइफ साइकिल सेट कर दो कि whatever the data is in my S3 will transfer to the Glacier after these many days. That is possible, yeah. But directly AWS आपका Glacier में नहीं डालेगा, आपका S3 में डालेगा. Okay. So today we have learned 3 different components guys, and what is the object name is same and internal data is different. Will it be upload to Glacier? नहीं समझा मुझे. What if the object name is same and the internal data is different? Object name internal data मतलब नहीं समझ आ रहा मुझे. प्रशांत क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? Object name is same and the internal data is different. नहीं समझ में आया अभी भी. अच्छा समझ गया. So आप कह रहे हो कि आपका जो let's say that's what I said only, right? Okay. So example, आपने Glacier में एक पिक्चर डाली, उसका नाम था c.jpg, right? At 8 AM and at 10 AM आप वापस abc.jpg डालते हैं, right? 10 AM. यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर था वो लेट्स से वो सीनरी थी कोई. यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर है वो लेट्स से हॉर्स की है. तो अगर आप इसको अपलोड करने की कोशिश करोगे ना, अगर ये ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे है तो इट विल से दैट यू कैन नॉट अपलोड, कांट अपलोड. You can't upload. But in S3, yes, you can. It will replace this data. But in Glacier, you can't upload. That's what the question you have, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Prashant? Okay, got it. Guys, I want to unmute and talk to you, but the background noise is literally killing me. A disturbance for everyone. That's the reason I put on mute. Don't take it personally. It is for everyone understanding and help, right? So I'm from the lecture mode I am converting into the mute mode. There you can unmute yourself and talk. Okay, because here you cannot unmute. I am putting into the open mode.
All participants are unmuted.
Or rather mute all.
All participants are muted and they can unmute themselves.
So guys, if you want to talk, you can unmute and talk and then mute again, please. So today we have learned three different components. I believe it was a fruitful, very fruitful session that we have done today, and we have really encashed our holiday. So otherwise 10 बजे तक तो आप सोते ही, right? So let me stop this recording. This kind of